All right, so we got it all back together, got it on there. Don't mind all the fuel. That's how bad it was leaking. That accelerator valve was like dumping fuel out. So I got it all back on there, got it all hooked up, everything's set up. I also I adjusted the two fuel screws down there on the bottom. They're supposed to be cranked the whole way until they seat and then backed off a turn and a half. They were way out of whack. One was like tight, like maybe one turn out, and the other one was like 4 or 5 turns out. And it was definitely running way rich on one side. So I put it back on. I didn't mess with anything else. So here we're going to try it. No choke, choke's off. Man, look at that. And check that out. No more smoke pouring out. This thing was smoking like crazy before because it was running so rich. It's smoking a little bit because of being cold out. All that is condensation. So much better.